$153,648. That's what I made with Amazon affiliate marketing this year, from the first month of this year 2026 until today that I'm recording this video for you guys, using short and AI. Not paid ads, not a huge following, short videos under 1 minute. AI create all the content, Amazon paying the commission. And here is the part that's going to surprise you. Most of these shorts are faceless. No camera, no editing skills, no experience needed. AI does everything. I have been doing affiliate marketing, guys, for almost 7 years. And what short combined with AI is doing to this business right now in 2026, I have never seen anything like it before. Why? Because short reach millions of people who have never seen your channel before. And when those people click your affiliate link, they go straight to Amazon, and Amazon convert them into commissions automatically. So stay until the end, because the step that multiplied my income the most is the last thing I'm going to show you. And most people never discovered it on their own. So what you will do next is you need to choose a profitable product that you will start promoting on shorts. Okay, you cannot promote any product that you like, or you will keep guessing. This business doesn't work like this. You need to promote product that solve problems for people. You need to promote product that are already getting sales on Amazon, that people are already paying for on Amazon. So here is what you will do next. You will go to Amazon, go to amazon.com, go and open your amazon.com website like this. And what you will do here, I'll share with you a profitable niche that you can start with as a beginner. Okay, so you will click here on the search bar and search for skin care. Search for products in this category, in this niche. Okay, I'll show you the proof. This niche is very, very profitable for you as a beginner. You can start with this niche, skincare niche. Scroll down. Once you search for skincare, you will find here a lot of products that are getting crazy sales in this niche. Okay, and those products, guys, they solve problems for people. That's why they are getting crazy sales, and that's why people keep paying for those products over and over. So this is the kind of product that you need to promote on shorts. Okay, you will find here a lot. You see this one, look at this one here. This product, guys, it's getting over 50,000 sales in the past month, meaning that over 50,000 people are paying for these products on Amazon. Okay, paid for this product just in the past month. You just need to choose product that people are already paying for Amazon, and product that solve problems for people, and that's it. Okay, you see. So I'll search, for example, let me search for, I think, because millions of people, they have this problem, guys, hair loss. Okay, you guys know this, that millions of people, they have this problem. I will search for, it's also in beauty category, guys. Okay, I will search for hair loss products. Okay, and I will scroll down, and here you go. You see those products, guys, are getting crazy sales. Okay, look at this one here. Okay, this one, guys, this product here, it's getting over 90k sales just in the past month, which is really crazy, guys. Okay, so what I will do is I will choose one of those products. Let's pick this one as an example. I will choose, guys, this one. So I will click on the product that I want to promote. Just click on the product that you guys want to promote, and you will be, guys, in this product page here on Amazon. Okay, you guys can see here, this is our products that we want to promote. You guys can see the commission, it's in beauty category. This is what I'm talking about. They are paying, guys, up to 10%, which is very good. So this is the product that we want to promote. So what we will do next, guys, is we need to create a faceless short video for this product. Okay, so what we will do next, guys, is we will use, guys, Clipwise AI. Okay, Clipwise AI is a powerful tool that helps affiliate marketers create high converting UGC style ad videos in minutes. They create those videos, guys, fast. It turns simple ideas into an engaging, scroll stopping content, perfect for promoting your affiliate product on TikTok, Pinterest, YouTube, and Instagram and Facebook Reels. And you can save time, boost conversions, and scale your affiliate marketing business fast. Okay, I'll show you exactly how we can use Clipwise to create those short videos, guys. So you just need to sign up using your email address, and the link of Clipwise AI will be in my video description, guys. Once you click on the link, it will take you to this page. What you will do here, this will be your home page. You will scroll down, okay, and go, guys, to over here to quick video tools and choose UGC talking head. Click on this tool, guys, UGC. Okay, we will use this one to create a short video for our Amazon affiliate product that we will use to promote this Amazon affiliate products on short video. Once you guys click on UGC talking head, you will be guys in this page over here. Okay, so what you need to do next is you guys need to put here your script, and to create an engaging and viral script for your YouTube short videos or any short videos, you will use AI. So what we will do next, we will go back to this Amazon products page that we want to promote. We want to promote this products and we want to create short video for this products. We will go back to this products page, we will scroll down, go to about this item, copy this product description like this, and go back to ChatGPT. So just guys go to ChatGPT and ask him guys to turn this Amazon product description into UGC ad script video up to 15 seconds that I will use to promote this products on short. And here paste your Amazon product description and just click over here, and ChatGPT guys will create an engaging script. You guys can see here up to for your video, see, which is it's very good. Okay, so what I will do, I will copy this script from here, I will go back to Clipwise and I will put here my script. Okay, this is my script, as you guys can see here, very good. Okay, over here balance through the link. Okay, the link, I will change this, the link in my bio. Okay, like this. So here make sure just to put your script. If you can also edit your script if you want. So once you put here your script guys, you will scroll down over here, you have directive instructions. This is optional, so it's not important. You will scroll down and click here guys, upload product image. And what you will do guys, you will go back to this Amazon product that you are promoting, click on the product image, this one, double click on save image and save at least 3 image. Okay, once you save those pictures, go back to Clipwise and click on upload image here and upload your image. Okay, so let me show you guys, I have some product image here. I will use those 3 image about my products. This is the product image that I want to promote. You see, I will click here on select products and here you go. You see, very easy and simple. You will scroll more down here, you can also put product description. So here what you will do, you will go back to Amazon, okay, to this Amazon products page, copy again your product description, go back to Clipwise and put your description here. Okay, your product description. So what you will do next guys, you will click here on select voice and choose the voiceover guys that you guys want to use in your short video. Okay, they have really a lot of high quality voiceovers here that you guys can use. Okay, so let's pick one as an example. Let me see, like this one.
Hey, I'm Zara.
So I will choose this one guys, Zara. I will just select the voice and click here on select voice, and that's it. You see that it's easy. Okay, click here on select actor and you will choose your actor here. So let me pick one. Let's see if we have really here. I will choose this one guys. Let's pick this one here, it's looking good. Okay, just select your actor you guys that you guys want to use in your short video and click on select actor, just like this. Click here again on select location and choose your location. You have locations here, so we have already a lot of locations. I'm gonna choose guys bathroom, and here you go. We will see that we have really a lot here. Let me pick one as an example. Let's pick like this one. Okay, I will choose this one. Just choose your location guys, click on select location, here you go. Okay, so once you guys choose your location, you will check here lots everything. So everything is really good and it's done. What I will do next, I will scroll down and I will just click on generate video. Okay, click on generate video and here you go. Clipwise AI started creating our short video guys. You guys can see here, it will take just few seconds, and once it's done I'll show you guys the results. Okay, and here you go guys, your video guys is done. So let's check it out.
If you're over 45 and noticing thinner hair, this is worth checking out. Nutrafol Women's Balance is formulated by physicians to target common causes of thinning hair during and after menopause with 21 science-backed ingredients. Just take 4 capsules daily. In clinical studies, many women saw healthier looking, fuller hair over time. If you're ready to support stronger, thicker looking hair, check out Nutrafol Women's Balance through the link in bio.
Here you go guys, you see that's really an amazing short video done by AI. Okay, it's very good. So what you will do next, your video is done, you will just click here on download, and you will download this video to your laptop. And what you will do next is you will go to YouTube. Okay, open a YouTube channel and start posting those short videos. They go viral. Okay, and what's helped me to multiply my income, guys, is by posting the same video on all social media platforms. So I can post, guys, this short video on TikTok, Pinterest, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, and also on YouTube Short. I will double my traffic and double my commissions. Also, guys, you can also use AI tools also to create long videos. So if you want to start creating short videos for your to promote your Amazon affiliate products, make sure to check Clipwise AI. The link of Clipwise AI will be in my video description. Click on the link, go and start creating viral short videos for your Amazon products. Okay, and always, guys, you can also get back here, you can change anything if you want. You can click on a remix, you can change anything, you can change the script and click again on a remix, and the video will be, the change that you want to do will be added. And also, guys, if you want to promote your Amazon affiliate offers, for example on Pinterest, you guys can use Clipwise tool that will help you to create viral ad shoot product pictures. Okay, I'll show you exactly how you can use it. You guys can go back to your Clipwise homepage, for example, like this, and you have here quick video tools. Okay, you will click over here on this icon and you will see, guys, here inventory shoot. Okay, you can click, guys, on this tool like this, and you will be, guys, in this page over here, and here we will use this tool, guys, to create a product shoot. Okay, so what we will do next, here we have this bar and we have here, guys, upload product image. You need to upload the product image that you guys want to use. Okay, so you guys can go back to Amazon. So for example, guys, like I said, we are promoting this product. As you guys can see, you can click on this picture on the products and save this picture to your laptop. Okay, once you guys save this picture to your laptop, you will just go back to Clipwise and just upload the product picture. You guys can click here and you can upload your product pictures from your laptop. So I have here my product picture, it's over here. I will click on open, and here you go. You can upload more if you want. You can upload more pictures. So for example, I will upload those 2 pictures and click here, guys, on select products. Okay, and here you go. What you will do here, guys, is you need to put the product description. Okay, so what we will do here, we can go back to this Amazon product that we are promoting page on Amazon, and we will scroll down, click on top highlight. This is the product description. I will click on this product description because the more info you give to AI, to Clipwise AI, the better results, guys, you will get. Okay, I will click here on product description and I will paste my description over here like this. Once you guys put here your product description, you will scroll down and you will click here on select background, just like this, and you will see here a lot of backgrounds, and you just need to choose one. So for me, guys, you have here a lot, you guys can see, okay, different backgrounds. So I will select, for example, this one and click on select background, and here you go, easy and simple. Once you click on select background, go and click again here on reference image. Okay, and choose your reference image. You can also upload it from your laptop if you want. You guys can see here. So for me, I will select this one as an example over here, and I will click on select a reference image, and here you go. What you need to do next, click here on variation and choose what you want. For me, I will choose this one too. Okay, and you have here vertical. Okay, click on this one and choose what you want. So I will choose, for me, vertical. I will keep it vertical, and you have here optional direction like camera movement, pacing, overlay, visual style. You guys can you can use this one if you want, it's optional. Once you guys finish and put here all your product info, what you will do next, you will scroll down and you will click here on generate image. Okay, click on generate image over here like this, and here you go. So once it's done, I'll show you guys my result, and here you go, guys, your product image is done. You guys can see here we have 2 different product image. Let's click on this one as an example, and you guys can see it's really good, high quality. So you have a product image done fast that you guys can use to promote your Amazon affiliate offers on Pinterest without getting banned and without getting any copyright issue. And this is a safe way to promote your Amazon affiliate offers on Pinterest. You can use Clipwise to create your own product image. Okay, you guys can see we created this using Clipwise fast. It's our own image, so I will not get any problems with Pinterest or with Amazon. Okay, so if you want to download this picture to your laptop, just click over here on download, and this picture will be downloaded to your laptop. Then you can go, guys, and start promoting your affiliate offers on Pinterest. Okay, and for people who want to take this business seriously, I do have an affiliate marketing course where I teach you guys how you can use AI to create faceless content that you guys can use to promote your Amazon affiliate products on YouTube, long videos and short videos. Also, how you can create an affiliate website, how you can create landing page done by AI, how we can do product research and find a profitable product that you can promote on social media platforms using AI, and so much more. If you want to take this business seriously, feel free to reach out to me in my email address. It's in my video description, and I'll send you guys all the details. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.